In this video, I'm going to show you how to reach wealth level 5 on Poppo Live. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So in Poppo Live, your wealth level shows how much you've supported other users by sending gifts. Pretty much each time you gift coins to streamers, hosts or friends, your wealth level increases. Higher levels unlock extra features like funneling games, VIP perks and even special badges. So what we need to do is open up Poppo Live and sign into your account. Then from there we need to head on over to our profile, so that's on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Then under your name, you're going to see your wealth level, live stream level, progress bar showing how close you are to the next level. Now we need to go ahead and understand how the wealth level works. So your wealth level increases when you send gifts to others. Each coin you spend counts towards your wealth experience. The more coins you gift, the faster you can level up. So basically start sending gifts. So to reach wealth level 5, you need to start spending coins or gifts during live streams or chats. So basically what we need to do is, if I go back to open the app, go to stream, find someone that's streaming. All right, I might pick this one here. And basically want to start just sending them gifts inside of here. Choose a virtual gift. So this can be like roses, cards or animations. Send it. The coin value will count towards your wealth total.